If AutoCAD is crashing with a fatal error and you're seeing an unhandled access violation message, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. These are the same practical troubleshooting methods many users rely on when AutoCAD refuses to open a drawing, crashes on startup, or keeps throwing that same error again and again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, try the simplest fix. Close AutoCAD completely, then restart your computer if needed, and open AutoCAD again. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary glitch, and a fresh restart is enough to clear it. If the program opens normally, try opening the same file again and see if the issue returns. If the error is tied to a specific drawing, the next step is to repair that file. Open AutoCAD and type recover into the command line, then press enter. From there, select the affected drawing. AutoCAD will attempt to scan and repair the file automatically. This can fix corruption inside the drawing that may be triggering the fatal error. If the file opens successfully after recovery, the next thing you should do is type Audit and press enter. When AutoCAD asks if you want to fix detected errors, type Y and press enter again. This helps clean up problems inside the drawing database and can prevent crashes later. Now let's move on to one of the most common causes of this issue, which is your graphics driver. Outdated, broken, or incompatible graphics drivers can easily trigger an unhandled access violation in AutoCAD, so update your graphics drivers through your computer manufacturer, GPU software, or device manager. If you have NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, make sure you install the latest stable version. After updating, restart your system and try AutoCAD again. If the problem continues, disable hardware acceleration inside AutoCAD. To do that, type graphicsconfig into the command line and press enter. In the graphics settings window, look for hardware acceleration and turn it off. Hardware acceleration can cause stability issues on some systems, especially when the graphics driver is not fully compatible. After disabling it, restart AutoCAD and check whether the fatal error is gone. Another very effective step is resetting AutoCAD settings back to default. To do this, open the Start menu and search for Reset Settings to Default AutoCAD. Launch that tool and follow the prompts. This will restore many of AutoCAD's internal settings and can fix configuration problems that may be causing the access violation error. If you recently changed preferences, profiles, or display settings, this step is especially worth trying. Next, check for software updates. Open AutoCAD, go to the Help menu and look for updates. Installing the latest patches can fix known bugs, improve stability, and resolve compatibility issues. Sometimes Autodesk releases updates specifically to address crashing, startup failures, or drawing-related errors, so keeping the software current is always a smart move. If AutoCAD still crashes, try launching it in safe mode or disable add-ins and plugins. Add-ins can sometimes conflict with AutoCAD and trigger fatal errors during startup or while opening files. If the program works in safe mode, that usually points to an extension, plugin, or customization causing the problem. Remove or disable recent add-ins one by one until you find the one creating the issue. If the error keeps happening, you may need to repair the AutoCAD installation itself. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, find AutoCAD, and choose Repair. This will check the installed program files and replace anything missing or damaged. A corrupted installation is a common reason for persistent crashes, especially after updates, power failures, or incomplete installs. Now, if the problem only happens with one specific file, you can try inserting that file into a brand new drawing. Open a new drawing, then use the Insert command and bring the problem file into the clean workspace. This can sometimes bypass file corruption and allow you to recover the usable content without opening the damaged file directly. And if none of these fixes work, the last resort is to completely uninstall AutoCAD and reinstall it fresh. This is obviously more time-consuming, but it can solve deep software corruption that repair tools cannot fix. Make sure to back up any important settings or custom files first if needed, then install the latest version again and test it before adding extensions or extra customizations. So to recap, the best fixes for an AutoCAD fatal error unhandled access violation are restarting AutoCAD, using Recover, running Audit, updating graphics drivers, disabling hardware acceleration, resetting settings, checking for updates, testing safe mode, repairing the installation, inserting the file into a new drawing, and reinstalling if necessary. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped you fix AutoCAD, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.